everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your very first Discord bot from scratch. We'll go step by step, from installing NodeJS, setting up a bot in the Discord developer portal, writing some code, and finally, running your bot online. So, let's get started. First, open your web browser and search for NodeJS. Click on the official NodeJS website, then go to the Downloads tab. Select your operating system and architecture, download the installer, and then install NodeJS on your computer. Now, we need to create the bot and its token. Go to discord.com/developer/applications. Click on New Application. Enter a name for your bot. Check the box to agree to the terms and click Create. Solve the CAPTCHA if prompted, and just like that, your bot is created. Here you can also change the bot's username and profile icon if you'd like. Next, click on the Bot tab in the left-hand menu. Scroll down and enable the Privileged Gateway Intents. We need these so the bot can detect messages, user joins, leaves, and more. Once you've enabled them, click Save Changes. Now, let's get the bot token. Click on the Reset Token button, then confirm by clicking Yes, do it. If you have multi-factor authentication enabled, you'll be asked to enter your authentication code. Copy the token, either by selecting it or by pressing the Copy button. Important: never share this token with anyone. If someone else gets it, they can control your bot. Setting up the project. Next, open your favorite code editor. Create a new file called .env and paste this inside. Token equals your bot token. Save the file. Make sure to replace your bot token with the actual token you copied earlier. Now, let's invite the bot to your server. Go to the OAuth 2 tab on the left. Under the Scopes section, check the bot box. Scroll down to the Permissions section and select the permissions your bot will need. For this tutorial, we'll just select Administrator. Now copy the generated link, open it in a new tab, choose the server you want to add the bot to, and click Continue. Then click Authorize, solve the CAPTCHA, and the bot will be added to your server. Now, open your terminal and type npm init-y. This creates a package.json file. Next, install the required libraries by typing npm install discord.js, npm install .nav. Now, create a file called index.js. Include Discord.js package. From that, import client and gateway intent bits classes. Also include .nav package to manage environment variables. Now create a new client instance with necessary intents to listen to messages and guild events. For this bot, we need guilds, guild messages, message content, and guild members' intents. Client once means this event will only be triggered once. Client ready, arrow function, console.log, logged in as some client user.username. Now listen for messages and respond to a specific message. Client on message create, arrow function, message. If the message content is hi, reply with hello there. Client login process.env token. Save the file. Now in your terminal type node index.js or node. If everything is set up correctly, you should see a message saying logged in as your bot's username. Go back to your Discord server and you'll see the bot is now online. Type hi in any channel and the bot will reply with hello there. And that's it. You've successfully created and run your very first Discord bot. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials like this. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to drop a comment below. Happy coding, and I'll see you in the next video.